talk about what does Codeflow Company mean to you guys? Like, what are we trying to say with this like rebranding?
Yeah, I'm reminded, I think it's important to speak to our roots. Like here at GitKraken, we're famous for the Git client. And back then, if you wanted to use Git, it was a little bit of a black box. You would install it on your machine and hope that you ran the right commands. And I think GitKraken client really put Git on easy mode for a lot of users just because of how we visualized the graph beautifully and helped each developer on a team feel comfortable contributing code and versioning their history. But I think what's happening is that was effectively the before times where like, you had each of your team members all with a clone of the repo contributing code. We've now added new team members in the form of AI coding agents. And they're generating code, and depending on how much you're using them, they could be generating a whole bunch of code or just enough to kind of keep you busy. So whether you're someone who's just dabbling in AI coding agents, or if you're someone with an established workflow and you've already got it figured out, GitKraken is here to be your partner. Just like we were your partner when you're trying to figure out Git, we're here to help you feel confident with the code contributions that you're continuing to make, but also the code contributions that are coming from your AI coding agents, give you the ability to verify what they're doing and feel good about hitting that merge button once things are, up in the pull request stage and shipping out in your next release. So that's my take on it, but I'll open it up in case Chris, Melissa, you want to add more.
Yeah, that's awesome, Jonathan. I think it's that, and it's also like just there's like a whole new reality out there right now, right? Like code is moving very fast. When you work with parallel agents, it moves fast, things move fast, things get lost in translation. And I think just keeping that state that we kind of were all used to, right? Of like being in the zone and flowing with code, it should feel totally natural. And so like everybody from like organizations to like solo devs, we're all facing this same issue. And so GitKraken is taking, all of our tools, bringing it all together, and it has shifted like the paradigm kind of we've shifted to this code flow brand and company, right? Like, and we're here to make sure that that code flow carries forward into this new frontier with AI. So I think it's a fun time to be a code flow company.
Yeah, I mean, there's the analogy that we've kind of talked about a little bit in, behind the scenes, and I think somewhere in our marketing a bit too, where it's like, just because you have a faster car now doesn't mean you're getting home any faster, because there's still traffic. There's still like blocks on the freeway. There's still things that are getting in your way of just getting home, right? And how do we just unblock that freeway, right? And that's what we're trying to build with Kepler and some of the other stuff that we're doing. And I don't know, I think it's pretty cool.